comments when I first signed, as you could imagine, different, he came here for money or whatever it may be. But what people don't actually realise is I came here on less money than when I was at Madrid. So, right? Yeah, it's true.
So you took a pay cut to come to Newcastle?
I come here on less money than what I was on at Madrid. I could have signed a new 3-year contract at Madrid. But I didn't. There was reasons why I had to come back, family, and that's the truth. So, yeah, there were certain people saying it wasn't. But
so the obvious question is why?
Trippier is a former football player of Manchester City Football Club and Atletico Madrid Football Club here speaks the reasons to why he left Atletico de Madrid is, of course, the situation and the condition of the team was not his favorite, wasn't his favorite things. Of course, he did not want so many things from Atletico Football Club, maybe the system and the lifestyle of the Atletico de Madrid Football Club was not a part of his wishes, and in fact he used to say that he sent the letter to the club administrator, the CEO of the club, as he requested to leave the club. And in fact, it was just a huge decision, and that was just a very hard decision to take. But he decided to take this decision for the sake of his life, and therefore he decided to come back in London, later to play at Manchester City Football Club. And at the end of the day, this one is just one among of the important fullback of the Newcastle United Football Club. And Trippier speaks so many things, but so much more. He is just speaking about his lifestyle of the Spain football and the difference in lifestyle of the London football. As he used to say that these are two different leagues, two different nations, and of course even the lifestyles are also different to experience, and it's very difficult to experience. As Trippier also accuses that he played very well, and of course he was just fulfilling his responsibilities on the pitch. But something which was so hard to him is about the lifestyle. As